Hello and welcome to the Brightix AI Accelerator tutorial series. This is episode number 1, Installation on Amazon Web Services. If you go to the AWS Marketplace, you will find the Brightix AI Accelerator by Samsung SDS as one of the many applications you can download there. The page will look as follows, and at the time of recording, the latest version is 2.7.4. On this page, you will find a description of the product as well as information regarding pricing, usage, support, and reviews. Scrolling down to pricing, the prices stated here refer to the free of charge trial license for Brightix AI Accelerator that you can install here. Regarding a commercial contract, please get in touch with us. Clicking on Continue to subscribe, you need to agree to the legal arrangements such as the end user license agreement with us, as well as the AWS notices. Continuing to configuration will let you choose what AMI delivery method you would prefer, which software version you want, and in which geographical region you want the cluster to be in that is run by AWS. There are the usual choices, and here we pick Virginia. Continuing to launch will take you to the launch page where you can choose which action and which instance type you want to use. Along with the security settings and the key pair, we click on launch to actually execute the launch. You'll be taken to a success page where you will be told your AMI ID for the session that you've just created. If you open that, you will be taken to the instance page where you can see, among other things, the IP address of the computer that was just created for you. You enter that into your browser at the port 9090 to access the cluster manager console of Brightix AI Accelerator, which will be discussed in detail in our tutorial video number 2. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and see you soon.